Rock climbing, it's more than just a physical activity. It's a mental challenge, a test of strength, endurance, and determination. When you step into that climbing gym, the walls towering above you, the colorful holds beckoning you to conquer them, you feel a rush of excitement mixed with a hint of fear. But that fear, it's what drives you, pushes you to go higher, reach further, and push past your limits. As you strap on your harness and chalk up your hands, you can feel the adrenaline coursing through your veins. The first few climbs are always the warm-up, getting your muscles accustomed to the movements, the holds, the rhythm of the wall. You start with easy routes, feeling the burn in your arms and legs as you pull yourself up, reaching for the next hold, the next challenge. But as you progress to more difficult climbs, that's when the real test begins. Your muscles strain, your fingers grip the holds with all your might, your body contorting in ways you never thought possible. It's a dance, a delicate balance between strength and technique, between power and finesse. Each move calculated, each breath intentional, each moment focused solely on the task at hand. And as you reach the top of a particularly challenging route, the sense of accomplishment washes over you like a wave. The view from up high, the feeling of conquering a wall that once seemed insurmountable, it's a high unlike any other. You feel invincible, unstoppable, a warrior in a world of rock and plastic holds. But rock climbing is not just about the physicality of it all. It's also about the mental game, the ability to push through fear, doubt, and uncertainty. When you're halfway up a wall, clinging to a tiny hold, your mind starts to play tricks on you. It whispers doubts in your ear, tells you to give up, to let go, to retreat back to safety. But you push those thoughts aside, focus on your breathing, on the next move, on the sheer determination that propels you upwards. You silence the voice of fear and replace it with a voice of courage, of resilience, of unwavering belief in yourself. And as you lower yourself back down to the ground, muscles burning, heart pounding, sweat dripping down your brow, you know that you've achieved something great. You've pushed yourself beyond your limits, defied gravity, conquered the wall. And in that moment, you realize that rock climbing is not just a sport, it's a way of life. It's about pushing yourself to new heights, both literally and figuratively, and discovering the strength and courage that lie within you.